To care for a new lip piercing, rinse your mouth for 30 seconds with an alcohol-free mouthwash or salt solution before bed, and every time you eat, drink, or smoke. Clean the outside of the piercing with mild soap and water once a day. Once or twice daily, soak your piercing in saline solution. Fill a cup with solution of a 1/4 teaspoon, 1.4 grams of non-iodized salt, and 8 ounces, 237 milliliters, of boiled water. Once the water is cool enough to touch comfortably, soak your piercing in it for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse the area with plain, warm water when you're done. Gently brush your teeth at least twice a day to keep your mouth clean. When your piercing is brand new, stick to soft, mild foods and eat slowly and carefully. Sucking on ice can also soothe the piercing and minimize swelling.